Hey, it's Brendan Quigley from 3 Acres, and I'm just spinning up a brand new store because I wanted to demonstrate one of the cool new features that Shopify released this summer, uh, where we can actually create brand new blocks in the customizer using AI. And I know that like your first reaction might be like, does it work? I'm quite happy to report that I have used this as a starting point for building out more complicated sections. So it's definitely something worth trying if you are a merchant and you're looking for some quick, easy, some quick and easy functionality that doesn't already exist in the theme. So what you're looking at right now is like quite literally a brand new dev store. It is technically a Shopify Plus store, but this isn't a Shopify Plus feature. And out of the box is Horizon. So I'm just going to jump right into Horizon and I'm going to stick myself over here. There's a pile of test data that comes with these test stores. And we're just going to jump right in. And I don't really have like this is as you anything you can think of, you can ask it. And it's quite impressive that it can go for it. So I think what we should do is maybe come up with a section here for the homepage. Like maybe we want to show two products side by side. There isn't an easy section. There might be, but there isn't an easy section that shows that. So I'm just going to go into add section, and instead of choosing from one of the existing sections, I'm just going to click generate. And so I might say, create a section for me that has two products side by side, give them really cool borders so they stand out, include the price, include an add to cart button, and the variant selector. So this is all live. So I'm just going to hit go, and this is going to drop a section into your theme, and it's going to start coding it live in front of you. I haven't done this before. This is the first time I've asked it to do this specific thing, and it's kind of cool. It's sort of futuristic. It shows you like the code as it writes it, but I mean you'll never have to touch that code. This is all in the customizer. It's building out this section. Another really good thing to note is that like this section will only save if you save your changes. Like if you were to leave the customizer, it's not going to like clutter up the blocks in your theme. So if you just want to jump in and try something, see if it works, and if it doesn't work, just get rid of it. You just have to leave the customizer, don't save your changes, and it won't save. The other thing that's good to know is like if these blocks, if you, let's say you do save a bunch of blocks, you are able to go into the code and just delete them out of there if you wanted to clean up your theme. These are things that I think of as a dev is like, is this going to clutter up the code? And the other thing that's really important to know is that because this is being built in a block for a section, it's upgrade safe. Like this code will keep from one theme to another. So if tomorrow Horizon were to come out with an update, I could update the theme, and it would keep the customizations that we're making here in the customizer. So very cool that way. I might just hit pause while it does its work, and then we'll come back in a minute. All right, there we are. It's finally finished up. I've unpaused. You can see here, really cool, it packs in the settings. Like it knows how to do section settings. So there's a pile of settings here. Most important one though is selecting products. So let's go in and we'll select two products. So there's one and there's two. Oh, I chose the hidden one, of course. Let's do that one. So there you go. So there are two products on the screen now, side by side. I mean, is it a cool border? I don't know if it's a cool border, but it's definitely a border. It's got a little hover effect. It's got the price. It's got the add to cart. Let's just test the add to cart. So it errored out. Sometimes these things will error out in the customizer when they're not set up. So we would have to save this and test it on the real site. And the best part is let's say we wanted that border to be cooler. We could just be like, right now the border's black with border radiuses. It's curved on the side. Let's make it a little more colorful, and the drop shadow a little more colorful. So now it's going to go back over the code that it just edited, and it's going to give us something new. And so you can continue to revise it even after the first iteration. So there we go, it's done, and you can see how it's colored the border. There's a little artifact there. I think that's from the customizer. So, I mean, if this is what you wanted, great. If not, you could continue to edit it further. What I often do is I often take the code out of this now and open it up in the code editor, and then I can make some pointed changes for the things that I really want changed. So if this is something that you like, I'd say give it a try. And if you like it, let me know.